Hello everyone, welcome to another video. Before we get started with this video, you can get a 3-month free trial on your Shopify store by clicking the link down below. Now let's get started. How to use Loox for your Shopify reviews. Now as you can see, Loox is a reviews and social proof app. All you have to do is go to the App Store and here make sure to log in to install Loox. Now as you can see, Loox is $10 a month. You have also a 14-day free trial and additional charges may apply. Now, as you can see, obviously, once you add an app, this is how the apps section will look in your Shopify store. Now, once you click on your Loox photo reviews here, you will be able to go to the library. Now, if you go to library in your Loox, or from your gem pages dashboard, if you use gem pages, this is how it's going to look like. Now this is obviously in gem pages. If you go into your Shopify dashboard, it will pretty much look the same. And as you can see, once you go to the reviews on settings, you'll be able to add any reviews here to your page. Now you have reviews, you have star badge. So this is the same way how you're going to be using the Loox on your Shopify as well. So if you want to add Loox reviews to your product page in Shopify, this is how it's going to look like. You go to your Shopify app section and click on Customize Your Store. From there, you add the app, which is Loox reviews, which we already added. And from there, go to the dashboard and click on Import Reviews. Now you copy the link of the product you want to import reviews from. It can be from Alibaba, from AliExpress, and you add the link to the Loox review and basically you save it. Now you can choose reviews you want to import and preview. Now from there you can import the reviews to your Shopify product page very easily. Now obviously if you want to create if you want me to create a more in-depth tutorial on this, I can create one. However, it's very easy to use and customize. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below. And again, you can get a 3-month free trial on our Shopify or on your Shopify store with our link down below. Thank you guys for watching.